everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back. This is the wrap-up, the recap for May 2020 of all of the page kits that I created for this month, which was something I haven't done for Mini Kit Monday before. I don't think ever. I've been doing this for a couple of years. So anyway, just wanted to go ahead and show you the videos, the pages once again that I created. So this was the first one that I did, Yoga Kitty, Crazy and Magical Yoga Kitty. And then the second one is those beautiful antennas. I'm talking about my granddog's antennas. That's what my daughter called them. So I thought that was a cute page. There's a lot of green in this. So that one turned out pretty cute. And then the third one was this one of the day 12 without chocolate, that I thought was pretty funny. This one probably took me the longest to create because I had to punch out or do the die with all the stars, which was fine. I really loved the way it turned out. I intended to put something here, but nothing really kind of came to me, so I'm just going to leave it blank. I wanted it to be 6 inches, so it's still blank today, so it probably will stay that way. And then this was the bonus that's a little wonky, and I'm okay with that, but I will have to be okay because I am not taking this apart. Everything is down, glued down, it just is. All right, so that are the 4 pages. So I have 3 for the typical month, and then of course the bonus. And I did pull out these sequins. I think I used those on all of the pages. Here's the leftover flowers that I didn't use, that I had trimmed. I'm going to put them in my flower bin. I have this word, I have that, I have this, I have some brads. I use brads on all the pages, so I don't feel bad about having any left over. This was something I just kind of threw in there. It is a frame. It's watercolor paper. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that, about putting it away. Of course, the butterfly I didn't use, and I didn't think that I would use this little bird. So those will get put up. And then these obviously didn't get used. And then here are some punches that, these are from the Yoga Kitty. These were like the centers of the G and, what else were they? What did I have? Oh, the O and the G and the A. And I'm just gonna keep those. And I have a little container here that I keep like extra little hearts and stars, and I will put those in there. You know what? And I'll just put those in here because they will probably get used up if I put them in here. I do pull this out frequently to just for a little embellishment. They're just tiny little hearts and stars, and this is what I use. This is the die that I cut it from. Look how tiny that is. They're pretty small. All right, so that is what I have left over. And then did I show you these? The papers and that. So I am putting everything by color now, except for the flowers. The flowers have their own little spot, but I put all the greens and the yellows together, of course. And then for the papers, I used all the papers except I have this yellow paper, and I have a portion of this paper. So I am very happy about that. The alpha, I used all of the alpha, and I'm just so surprised I still have some left of this. And I got 2 words out of that. I didn't know if I was going to get any words that got used. Very happy about this. This was the first time I used this. This was from 2008. I had to glue it down. Their chipboard, I used that as well. Of course, I didn't use it all up. Then the washi tape. The only ones I didn't use that one or this one, but I did these. I don't think I used the blah blah. Okay, so I did use 4. Yeah, hey, success. I thought that this went together well. Very few things to put up, which is what I love. I don't want to have to spend a lot of time putting things away because I want to start scrapping some more. And there's not anything here that inspires me to make another page. So, yep, it's even though I could, it all coordinates well together. Everything that I pulled, it did help that I went with pink and then the green and the yellow. Those always go together in my eyes with pink. All right, guys, thanks for joining me for the month of May. June is also very exciting. I already know what the inspiration is. You are going to love it. Considering that for the month of May, the focus was on Mother's Day, you can just imagine what's going to happen with June and Father's Day. So at least it kind of gives you an idea of mail pages or outdoor pages or something like that. I thought I was the hostess. This is nothing against Dolly, but Dolly's the one that came up with the inspiration for June, and she did such a great job. She is the hostess for June, so I'm doing July. Wonky scallops still are in the mix for July, so still be practicing. You have another month to practice your wonky scallops because it is going to be part of the inspiration for the month of July. Okay, guys, thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.